The term workstation has become diluted, frequently used to describe any fast computer that can be used for professional graphics work. But it really has a very specific meaning, a system that can be certified stable and secure by software manufacturers. That requires specific configurations, which almost always includes a workstation class GPU like an NVIDIA Quadro or AMD Radeon Profire Pro. Workstation applications rely on OpenGL a lot, but just because a GPU supports OpenGL doesn't mean it has the appropriate drivers for the application to take advantage of it. For instance, one of the biggest points of contention among people who game and edit photos is NVIDIA's hardline distinction between its consumer GeForce and workstation Quadro lines. You can't get true 10-bit color in applications like Photoshop because NVIDIA's GeForce drivers don't support it, but you can't get GeForce performance in games from a Quadro. The upshot is you need a workstation GPU to access certain levels of acceleration, and occasionally features, such as real-time renderers and CAD programs, in your applications. And if you really want gaming performance, you can connect an external GPU chassis via the Thunderbolt port. And some industries have stringent security requirements to prevent, for instance, leakage of profitable content you might be working on. Workstations have enterprise-class security. The system also supports 32 GB of memory, more than other detachable or its closest competitor in spirit, the Wacom Mobile Studio Pro. Add to that connectors for HDMI, USB Type-A, USB-C Thunderbolt 3, plus a fingerprint reader and UHS-II-capable SD and smart card slots, and it's ready for anything.